In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in a HubSpot email quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to enhance your email marketing strategy or simply want to share engaging content with your audience, embedding a video can significantly boost interaction and interest. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to accomplish this. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. This can be easily accessed via any web browser by entering the URL for the HubSpot website. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you're familiar with HubSpot, proceed with your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home interface. Here you'll see a variety of options designed to help you manage your marketing processes. Look for the Marketing tab. Clicking on it will unfold a drop-down menu of marketing tools and resources, bringing your next task into view. From here, select the Email option. This choice will direct you into the area of HubSpot where you can manage your email marketing campaigns. Now's the time to either create a new email or select an existing one that you'd like to edit. Scroll through your emails to find the draft you'd like to work on and click to open it for editing. Now you're going to locate the video component within the email editor. You may need to scan through the different design elements and content options available. HubSpot's email editor is user-friendly, providing drag and drop features that make it simple to add different types of content directly into your email layout. After locating the video icon, click on it. This will initiate a prompt allowing you to embed a video link. At this point, you should have a video link ready to go. If you want to use a video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, make sure to copy the video's URL beforehand. Paste the URL into the provided field in HubSpot, and the video will automatically be integrated into your email. Adding videos to your email can increase engagement metrics significantly, as videos tend to attract more attention than text alone. It's worth ensuring that your video is of high quality and relevance to the email's content for maximum impact. Make sure to send the email to yourself or a colleague to ensure the video displays correctly before you send it out to a larger audience. This will iron out any potential glitches that might arise. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to start embedding videos in your HubSpot emails. Integrating multimedia like video into your emails is a straightforward process once you know the steps, and it can really elevate your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.